Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss chapter number 1 sets of class 9. In daily life we use so many sentences, that is bunch of keys, collection of numbers, teachers in a school, name of the girls in your class, days of week. In all these examples we can clearly the list of the object of that collection. We call the collection of such objects as a set. So, what is meant by set? See, the definition of the set is a collection of well-defined distinct object. Well-defined distinct objects is called as a set. What is meant by distinct object? Means the repetition is not allowed. Okay. See, a set is denoted by capital letters and we have to write in curly bracket. Okay, that is suppose 1, 2, 3, 3, 3 in this way, and curly bracket is complete. See here 3 repeated, 3 occurs 3 times, right? See, in set such type of structure not occur. Means this one we have to write in this form, that is in curly bracket, that is 1, 2, 3, that's it. Means repetition is not allowed. What is the meaning of a well defined distinct object? Means that objects are distinct, different, repetition is not allowed. So you have to write this set as 1, 2, 3, that's it, only this one, don't write in this way. Okay, so what is the definition of set? A collection of well defined distinct object is called as a set. Okay, these sets are usually denoted by capital letters A, B, C and so on, right? Then the elements or the objects in a set are called as element or members of the sets. See, in the sets the objects or numbers are called as elements or the members of the sets. The members or elements of the sets are denoted by a small letters, small a, b, c and so on, that is shown by using a small letters, or we can say that denoted by small letters a, b, c in this way. If a is an element of set A, then we can write it as A belongs to capital A. Okay, A belongs to capital A. See, A is an element. See, in this way A is an element. This is nothing but this symbol belongs to means just E, like E belongs to a set. Means what is the meaning of this? A is a member of set A, is an element of set A. A is contained in set A. Okay, sometimes suppose B, element B belongs to set A. This symbol is nothing but belongs to, means the member of set A. Okay, like E, or just E, don't write in this way E, you have to curve this one, this part. Okay, like this, half circle like this. Okay, in this way, that is belongs to. Suppose C an element, C is an element, this C belongs to, see, just curve is there, C belongs to there in A. Okay, means what is the meaning of this? A belongs to this. Read as, how to read? A, this is an element belongs to set A. Capital A is nothing but set A. Okay, set A. So A belongs to A means A, element A is an member of the set A, means that A contained in set A. See the second last line, if A is not an element of set A, then we can write as A does not belongs to set A. How to read? Last line. How to read? As A not belongs to set A. A is not belongs to set A. Now next part is, consider an example. Set A is equal to 3, 5, 7, 8. This set having 4 elements. Okay, consider a number 3 is a member of A. So this 3 is belongs to this one A set. See here I can use the marker here. See 3 belongs to this set, 3 contain in this A set. So 3 belongs to this one. Okay, suppose I take a 9 is not here on this set, A set, in set A. So we can write 9 is not belongs to A set. Okay, suppose 15 also not in set A. So we can mention here 15 is not belongs to A set. Right? Now you can use belongs to and not belongs to. Means you must remember that point. Belongs to means that element or that number which is contained in set A, or not belongs to means not in that set. Right? Next example, suppose 4 is not a member of A. So we can write 4 is not belongs to A set. One more example, that is 11 is there. Yes, 11 in set A. So 11 is an element of A, written as 11 belongs to A set. Means it belongs to, then which is a member of that set. Is not belongs to, then not a member of that set. Okay, then next one is, now let us observe the set of the numbers. You are familiar with the number system. Set of natural numbers is always denoted by capital N. What is natural set? This set of natural number contain so many elements, start from 1. The smallest natural number is 1. Means the set of natural number n is equal to 1, 2, 3, and so on. It contains so many elements. Means it may be 100, 101, 102, it may be 1000, it may be 5000, it may be 1 lakhs. Means it is infinitely many elements are there. Okay, this is the set of natural number. You must remember, start from 1. Now whole number, set of whole numbers is denoted by W. It is start from 0, means it contains 0, 1, 2, 3, means each element separated by comma, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, in this way. Now whole number, set of whole numbers is, say here, from 1 to 1, 2, 3 and so on. These are natural numbers and one more element 0. Okay, it's very simple. Natural number plus one more element 0. This is nothing but set of whole number. Now next set in number system, next is integers. Integers means something, comma -3, comma -2, comma -1, comma 0, comma 1, comma 2, comma 3 and dash dash. Means it is a set of integers. Set of integers. See, what are the integers? See here, from 0, right side from 0 are positive numbers, and left side from 0 are negative numbers. Okay, see, you can observe this 1, 2, 3 and so on. These are natural numbers. Means from 0, positive side from 0 are natural numbers, and negative side from 0 are negative of natural numbers. So what are the integers? Natural numbers, negative of natural numbers, and one more element 0. This is nothing but set of integers. Now next part is set of rational numbers. What are the rational numbers? I think you are familiar with rational numbers. It is denoted by Q. Q is equal to X, such that X is equal to P upon Q form, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. Right? See, what are the rational numbers? Any one example? Suppose I take 5 here, means 5 by 1, 5 by 2. 5 belongs to this set, 2 is also belongs to this set. So this is a rational number, right? Then suppose 1, I consider 1 as numerator, 1 by 2. Okay, see 1 by 2. 1 is here, P P is 1, Q is 2, and both are in set of integers. Okay, and this is the important condition, denominator never 0. Then 1 by 2 is rational number, 1 by 3 is rational number, 1 by 4 is rational number, 1 by 7 is rational number, 1 by 100 is rational number, 1 by 13 is rational number, or taking minus sign, minus 1 here, numerator keep as it is, 1 1 1 1, so you will get so many numbers. Suppose here numerator is suppose 3, here 4, here 7, see you will get so many elements, okay, so many numbers in that is ratio of two integers is nothing but rational numbers. Is natural number is rational number? Suppose I take 3 as a 3, I take 3 is natural numbers, am I right? 3, I write 3 here, 3 is natural number, this 3 is a rational, this one is rational. What is the structure of rational number? Rational number is P upon Q form, okay, rational number is numerator and denominator form. So this 3 I can write in this way, numerator and denominator form, that is 3 I can write 3 upon 1 or 6 upon 2 or 9 upon 3. See, it is P upon Q, this is P upon Q. See, this condition is satisfied. Ratio of two number P and Q, 3 and 1 is integers, and this is denominator is not 0. 6 and 2, 6 is here, because of we can extend this here the set of integers is nothing but something dash comma minus 3 minus 2 minus 1, then 0 1 2 3 4 5 and so on. So any natural number we can write in terms of ratio of two numbers, that is natural number, that number itself divided by 1, okay. So means it contains so many elements, so many numbers are here. And next set is a set of real numbers, R, set of real number is denoted by R, that is nothing but R. R is equal to set of real number, and in number system set of real number is very big set, okay, very big set. Now next part is you must remember what are the natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers and real numbers, okay. Now there are two methods for writing the sets. One is listing method or roster method, other is rule method or set builder form or set builder method. We will see one by one. First one is listing method or roster method. Listing method means in the sentence there is meaning, list, just you have to make a list for writing listing method, for using listing method. In this method we write all the elements of the set in curly bracket. Set, in a set we use the set, that is we have to write the set in capital letters, we have to denote it by capital A, capital B, capital C, okay. But set is always write in curly bracket, means something is here and curly bracket is completed, okay. Don't use round bracket, this is wrong procedure, or don't use square bracket, this is also wrong procedure. In a set you must write, or the collection you have to write in curly bracket only, then that is the set, and the sets are denoted by capital letters. For example, name of the girls in your class, that set is either denoted by A or denoted by B, or you can denote it by capital G. Understood? Means what is the first rule for listing method? In this method we write all the elements in a curly bracket, that's it. Now rule number second, point number 2, each of the elements is written only once and separated by comma. You know set of natural numbers, n is equal to set in a curly bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this way, means two elements can be separated by just putting comma. right? Now rule number 3, point number 3, see what is the point 3? The order of an element is not important, but it is necessary to write all elements of the set. Means order is not important here. Okay, order is not important, but you have to write all the elements in that set. For example, the set of odd numbers between 1 to 10 can be written as, see, suppose that set is denoted by capital A, odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 17, 19, 21, 101, 119 in this way. But here there is a condition. See, what is the condition here? Here the condition is, see, the number lies between 1 and 10. Lies between 1 and 2 means 1 is not included there, 1 is not there. So the odd numbers, we have to write the set, we have to collect the numbers, odd numbers which is less than 10, means till 9, and 1 is also not there. So the set A is equal to 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, but what is the rule 3? So the order is not important. So this one we have to write 7, 3, 5, 9, or we can write in curly bracket 7, 2, then 3, 9 in this way also. Okay, means order is not important, but you have to write all elements in that set. That's it. Okay, so this is a very, very important point. You have to write in curly bracket each element separated by comma, and repetition is not allowed. And one more thing, order is not important, but in that set all points should be there. Okay, now next part, example number 2, B is equal to set, it contain X slash, the vertical line is called as such that, means B, set B is equal to in curly bracket X such that X is prime number between 1 and 10. X is a prime numbers between 1 and 10. Prime numbers, prime numbers, that is prime numbers are means his divisors are itself and 1. There is no other divisor except itself and 1. So the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, right? Less than 10 means it contain 9, but 9 is not prime number, it has a divisor 3. 3 3s are 9. Okay, so the set B can be written as B is equal to in curly bracket 2, 3, 5, 7. See again I want to show you this one. See, these 2 prime number are always odd numbers, but except this 2. 2 is only one even prime number, you must remember. 2 is only one even prime number, right? 2 is only one even prime number. Then next part is, by using listing method we get 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay. Now third point is, Q is a set of rational numbers which can be written in set builder form. You have to write in rule form or set builder form. What is Q? Q is a set of rational number is equal to in curly bracket X such that X is equal to P upon Q, where P and Q are integers, means belongs to I, means it is integers, and Q is not equal to 0. That's it. Okay. If an element comes more than once, then it is customary to write that element only once. In the word remember, see, there is some example. Remember the letters, you have to observe this. E is repeated, R is repeated, M is also repeated, means it comes twice. So the letters R, M, E are repeated more than once or twice. So the set is can be written as REMB, Don't use again and again this one. See, I will show you that is suppose I take this color, R in this set we use R here, R collection of the letters in the word, remember R is there, E is there, then M is there, again E is there, but don't use this E. Also M is there, don't use this one, and B is there, B is N1, E again comes, then R is also repeated, that's why don't use. So you have to write single letters, okay, means collection of the letters in any word, but that letters should not be repeated, that is the set. Now next part is rule method or set builder form. What is rule method? Just you have to make a rule. See, what is the rule? In this method we can write the list of the elements, but write the journal element using variable followed by the vertical line or colon and write the property of the variable. Means here we have to use the set in this form, always in this form. That is, say I want to show you, that is suppose set is denoted by any letter, capital A, capital B, capital C, in this way is equal to, that is nothing but in curly bracket, just you use variable x such that this vertical line is nothing but such that x is something, okay. Sometime it is denoted by y. See, it is a curly bracket, suppose y such that y is equal to something, okay. Means in rule method you have to use the variable. See, that is listing method converted in rule method form. Rule method means there is variable must be there in that set, and you have to write this slant line, means such that then you have to give the condition here which is given in question. X lies between, say here in this given example, see what is the example, set A is equal to x such that x belongs to n. What is n? N is set of natural number, and one more condition is given, 1 is less than x is less than 10, in this way, okay. 1 is less than x is less than 10. See here in this set x such that it contains x such that x belongs to, this is one condition, x belongs to n, means we have to collect only natural numbers, -3, -2 is not there, okay, natural number. And one more condition, because of why this condition is given, see here natural numbers are so many, infinitely many numbers are there. So we want the numbers only lies between 1 to 10, okay, lies between 1 to 10 only, right. So the number is, see, and the read as the set A is the set of all x such that x is a natural numbers between 1 and, okay students, we will see the example. That is, in the following examples each set is written in both methods, means example is given, you have to write in both methods, that is rule method or set builder form, listing method or roster method. See, the example is set A is contain x such that x is a letter of the word division, okay. Again you have to use the rule, that is repetition not there, that is listing method is nothing but A is equal to D I V S O N, I is repeated, okay. So we have to write only one times. So this rule method, see here the rule method, this rule method we have to convert in listing form. Again one more example, y is equal to b is equal to set b is equal to y such that y is a number such that y square is equal to 9, means this set containing y, it contain y, Okay, and the equation is given y square is equal to 9. So you have to find out the value of y. See, y square is equal to 9, therefore y square is equal to 9, therefore y is equal to plus or minus 3, because if it is quadratic, it has two values. Okay, it has two values. Y is, see, for example, I want to show you, that is y is equal to, suppose 3, put y is equal to 3, then 3 square is equal to 9. Suppose y is equal to minus 3, then minus 3 square is equal to minus 3 into minus 3, it become 9. So y having two values, minus 3 and plus 3, means this set, you have to solve this set, means you have to find out the value of y. You have to find out the value of y by solving this equation, y square is equal to 9. So what are the values of y? Minus 3 and plus 3. So set B is equal to minus 3 comma plus 3. That's it. So here any set, either in rule method, we have to convert in listing form or listing method, or sometime listing method is there, you have to convert in rule form or rule method. One more example, C is equal to a set Z such that Z is a multiple of 5 and less than 30. Multiple of 5 means just 5 stable, that is 5, 10, 15 like this, but which is less than 30. Less than 30 means it become 25, till 25. So the set C is equal to in curly bracket 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, let's start practice set 1.1, means exercise 1.1. Question number 1 from your textbook. Write the following sets in roster form. Question number 1, set of even natural numbers. You know natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. There are so many natural numbers, but I want even numbers, even natural numbers. So this set is suppose denoted by capital A and is equal to, it contain 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Means you have to write 2, 4, 6, 8 dot 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 and you complete the curly bracket. Question number 2, set of even prime numbers from 1 to 50. You know prime numbers? Prime numbers means the numbers having divisor itself and 1, no other divisors than 1 and itself. But here I want even prime number. Even prime number. See, there is only one even prime number and that is 2. See, answer is 2 is only one even prime number. Therefore, set B is equal to singleton set 2, means it contains only one element. Now, question number 3, a set of negative integers. What are the negative integers? You know negative integers, that is negative of natural numbers. The set C is equal to dash dash minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, comma dash dash and so on. Okay, minus 1 set C in curly bracket, set C is equal to in curly bracket minus 1, comma minus 2, comma minus 3 and so on. Then curly bracket is completed. Okay, now question number 4, 7 basic sound of Sargam Sur. This set, this collection of Sargam Sur, we can denote by D or E or A or any capital letter. Okay, we use here D letter here, capital D is equal to in curly bracket Sa, Re, Ga, comma, Ma, Pa, Dha, Ni. Means you have to write comma for each elements, for each member. Okay, the D set is Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Dha, Ni. Right? Now next is this for assignment, for practice, write the following set in roster form, set of all natural numbers. Second is set of prime numbers between 1 to 30, all prime numbers between 1 to 30, not even prime. Okay, previous was even prime, but here you have to collect all prime from 1 to 30. Third one is set of perfect square numbers less than 150. Perfect square numbers, you know perfect square numbers 1, 4, 9, 16 in this way. You have to collect all perfect square numbers. Now next question. Question number 2 from your textbook. Write the following symbolic statements in word. You have to convert this 43 belongs to Q. This symbolic form, this symbolic sentence you have to convert in word form, in verbal form, in word form. How to write? See, how to read this one? First one, 43 belongs to Q. You have to write as it is. That is nothing but 43 is an element of Q or belongs to this. Means 43 is an element of, means is a member of set Q or is an element of Q. It's very simple. Next, -2 is not belongs to N. How to write in word? -2 is not an element of the set N. See, third one, P is equal to, means is a rule method. P is equal to set P such that P is an odd number. P is an odd number. So we have to write in word form, set P is a set of all P's, means you have to collect all P's. What is the condition? Such that P is an odd numbers. P is an odd numbers. Okay. S is there, numbers. Okay. S is there. Now question number 3 from your textbook. Write any two sets by listing method and by rule methods. You have to write any two sets. Okay. First you take any one example and you have to write an in both form, listing form and rule form. For example, a set of even natural numbers less than, this is important, less than 10. In listing form, just you have to make a list. What is the condition? Even natural numbers. What are the natural numbers? Natural numbers start from 1, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, up to so on. Okay. Right. Then we want even natural numbers only. So even natural numbers. See, I want to show you that is even natural numbers. See here, even natural numbers, and one more condition, that is less than 10. Less than 10. Even numbers. So what is in listing form? That is set A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. Less than 10. 9 is there, but 9 is not even. Okay, 9 is not even number. So you have to complete till 8. That is the set A is containing 2, 4, 6, 8. And rule method, in rule form, A is equal to, set A is equal to in curly bracket X such that, this is such that X is equal to twice N, and N is belongs to natural number, also N is less than 5. Means suppose N is equal to 1, N is equal to 1, N is equal to 1. It become, what is X? X is equal to 2 into 1. It become 2. N is equal to 4, that is 2 into 4 is 8, right? So this is the condition, right? This is the condition. Now question number, one more example. B is a set of letters of the word science. Okay. Listing form, that is repetition not allowed. Set B is equal to in curly bracket S C I E N. Okay, is E and C are repeated, but don't use again and again. So the in listing form, set B is equal to S C I E N. And in rule method, just you have to make a rule. There is variable set B is equal to in curly bracket X such that X. Now write the rule. What is the rule? Is the letter of the word science. Okay, is the letter of the word science. That's it. Because a particular science is given. Now extra questions of same type for practice, for assignment. Write any two sets by listing method and by rule method. Now you have to write the answer here. The given question is set A is a set of perfect square number less than 100. Perfect square numbers less than 100. Okay, you have to make a list form and you have to write in rule form. List form means just you have to put numbers, comma, and complete the curly bracket. And in rule form there is variable here X such that See, I want to show you that is here it is in curly bracket, here something comma comma and complete bracket, here there is a x such that x is some condition and curly bracket is completed in this way. Okay, see, proper symbol is there, curly bracket, right? Now in this way. Now one more. Suppose set B is a set of letters of the word division. Okay, you have to write in listing form and rule method form also, right? These two for practice. Now question number 4 from your textbook, write the following sets using listing method. First one is all months in the Indian solar year. Answer, I think you are familiar with solar year, that is set A is denoted by A or B or anything is a set. It contains Chaitra, Vaishak, Jeshta, Ashad, Shravan, Bhadrapada, Ashwin, Kartik, Margashish, Paush, Magh, Falgun. Okay. Now you will get this all elements, all months. Next one is example number 2, sub question 2, letters in the word complement. Suppose I denoted this x by this set by x or capital A or capital B. You can use any letter, capital letter, it should be capital. X is equal to C is there, C is here, then you have to put C here, O, second letter is O, then M, then P, then L, then E, then M. M is not because of we use one times, okay. Then E, then N and T. Means you have to collect all letters, but repetition is not allowed. You write once and you put comma for each two letters, okay. This is the question number 4. Now next part is question number 3. Question number 4 and the third sub question is 3rd. Set of human sensory organs. It's a very simple form, that is suppose this set is denoted by Y, nose, ears, eyes, tongue and skin. Now question number 4, sub question 4 from main question 4. Set of prime numbers from 1 to 20. Prime numbers from 1 to 20. Okay, all prime numbers means 2 is there. See, the set is denoted by Z or A, capital A or capital B, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Okay. And question number 5, names of the continents of the world. Now set is denoted by E, Asia, Africa, Europe, Australia, Antarctica, South America and North America. Okay. Now here I covered all questions from your text. Now take extra questions. Write the following sets using listing method, all months in the year, days in a week. Okay, these are very simple questions. Now question number 5 from your text, write the following sets using rule method. See, listing method is given. Set A is equal to 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100. Okay, this one is listing method is given. What is the answer? Set A is equal to, you have to write in variable form x such that x is equal to n square. What is n? N is natural number and this is less than 10. N is less than 10. Means less than 10 means n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3, n is equal to 4, up to n is equal to 9. Okay, suppose n is equal to 1, then what is x? 1 square is 1, 1 is there. Okay, n is equal to 2, then 2 square is 4, that is 4 is there in curly bracket. Okay, n is equal to 3, 3 square is 9, then comma you put 9 here. N is equal to 4, that is n square, means x is equal to 16 in this way. Lastly n is equal to 9, then it become 81 and curly bracket completed. Okay, you have to put curly bracket here, that is 81. And n is equal to less than or equal to, you know, n is less than or equal to, that is n is equal to 10. I want to show you what is the meaning of n is, this is a very very important concept, n is less than or equal to 10. What is the meaning of n is less than or equal to 10? It has two possibilities, either n is less than 10 or n is equal to 10, means 10 is also there, 10 include in that set. Okay, so see, you have to substitute the value of n, you have to consider n is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to 10, 9 and 10 is also. What is 10 square? 100. Okay, so you have to put in this way, n is less than or equal to 10, right? N is less than or equal to 10. Any confusion here? I think it's very clear. N is less than or equal to 10 means 1, 2 up to 10. Now question number second, set B is 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42 and 48. It's clear, is nothing but the table of 6. Okay, but it's till 48. So we have to write the condition. See, listing method is easier than rule method. Okay, so you practice for a rule method, there is variable. See the answer for this, see the answer here, answer for this rule method, set B is equal to, you have to write in this way, x variable x, such that x is equal to 6n, because of this is nothing but in 6 table, all elements in 6 table. So 6n, where n is natural number and less than n, n is less than 9. Less than 9 means maximum n is equal to 8 and 6 8s are 48. Okay, so you will get in this form. Now next part is, see, question number third, sub question third. C contain S, M, I, L. So see here we have to write the answer in rule method. C is equal to set is contain y variable such that y, such that, this is not j, it is such that, slant line, such that y is a letter of the word smile. Okay, or alternate, we can use alternate words, that is, or other possibilities of word, slim, then miles or missile, etc. Instead of this smile, you can use slim, miles or missile also. Okay, these are very simple form. Next one is question number 4, set D. Your listing method is given. Set D is equal to Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. This list you have to convert in rule method. So the D set you have to write in this way in curly brackets. Suppose I take z variable here, variable z variable, right, variable z, such that z is a day of week. Okay, days of week, that's it. Then next is question number 5, x is equal to a set a, e, t. In the rule method, x is equal to, I use variable y, or you can take x also, y, such that y is a letter of the word it, or other possible words you can take t, or you can write it also. In t, there are 3 letters, t is there, e is there, or e is there, and it there are 3, a, t and e is also there, right. Means in exam this possibility is not necessary, this one. You have to write any one word. See, this is correct. Either you can take variable x or y, here x, you can take x also, y also, or z also, such that the letter y of the word it, or you can take it only one, not putting the all possibilities. You have to write only one letter. Okay, only one possibilities. If you understood my video, then please subscribe my channel Thank you for watching my video.